Ever wonder how cells manage to get stuff in and out without totally falling apart? Let's break down cell transport. In this video, we simplify the cell membrane's traffic system, covering everything from chill, passive transport like simple and facilitated diffusion to high-energy active transport and protein pumps, all the way to bulk transport like endocytosis and exocytosis. First up, we have passive transport. The big rule here, no energy needed. Molecules just move naturally down their concentration gradient, flowing from high concentration to low concentration. Under passive transport, you've got simple diffusion. Think of small, non-polar molecules like oxygen just sliding right through the lipid bilayer. Then there's facilitated diffusion, which is for bigger or charged molecules like glucose or ions. They need a little help from transport proteins like channel or carrier proteins to get across safely. But what happens when molecules need to move against the flow, going from low concentration to high concentration? That's where active transport takes over, and it demands energy in the form of ATP. The classic example here is a protein pump, which physically forces molecules up their gradient using ATP. And if the cell needs to move massive amounts of material, it switches to bulk transport. That means endocytosis, bringing large materials into the cell, and exocytosis, which kicks waste out of the cell. To wrap it all up, passive transport requires zero energy and flows high to low. Active transport requires ATP and pumps low to high.